Guys, welcome back to part 6 of the shifter cart build. So today we're going to wrap this thing up, get it ready to rip, so guys stay tuned and hit that bell. I finished rebuilding the engine, so I'm going to be assembling everything, all the radiators, the pedals, the cables, the paddle shifters, everything like that guys, so let's get right to it. Yeah, I could just lay back and take a nap in here. It is gonna have a little bit of adjustment side to side, but the way it's sitting right now is perfect. So guys, we got the third axle support in, and it's going to be very important to keep it in because this motor might have upwards of 60 horsepower, maybe 70 if I go a port job in a big bore kit. But yeah guys, we want to keep that in. So we got our brakes right here welded, and these are mechanical brakes. This is just for the test drive. After the test drive, I might go with a double disc hydraulic setup. That's probably going to cost a lot of money, so we'll just keep it mechanical for now. It will have plenty of stopping power. I've tried these Go Power Sports brakes and they are very nice. So this frame is around 95% done. I'm going to get it finished today, and then tomorrow we'll start welding it and hopefully we can get it welded. So let's get to it. It's a brand new day today and we're going to start attacking the shifter cart. So we're going to be using mostly this Lincoln weld pack. I'm pretty confident with my welding skills on both of those machines. I was sitting there welding and hitting the sweet spot with all the settings and all the heat settings, and all of a sudden this gun just crapped out. And I was like, and it freaked me out. I guess 5 minutes later it started working. It's kind of weird. But yeah guys, we're going to have to get back to welding. Guys, I got a new welder. Well, not really. Me and my dad were just gonna go originally look at some welders. So since I was having issues with the Lincoln welder, we went ahead and bought this. Now this is a professional MIG welder from Frayed. Yeah, you don't hear those words mixed up together, so I'll save the review for another video, but we're just gonna open this up and start welding. This is an inverter machine, so it's super light. It's like 20 pounds. 1/8. 217. Guys, we're almost finished welding this thing up. This is a very awesome machine. I wish I would have the opportunity to weld with it on gas, but so this just started as, oh, I'm just going to try to knock out this dent, into a, oh, I'm just going to try to build a whole totally brand new pipe. But the problem with that is I have no understanding of how the chambers work. The MX factories really make the pipes like curvy instead of just being straight. I understand why, but so we got the exhaust welded up, but I don't think I will be running it. There is probably a whole bunch of spatter and wire sticking out inside, so I think I'm just going to play it safe and order a new pipe. Guys, here's a super simple trick to stop frayed cables. So as long as you have any kind of welder, even a $50 welder, and then just weld where you want it to stop. And just like that, guys, we have a cable that stops fraying. So we're probably going to go ahead and hold off on the radiator hosing until we get our new expansion pipe, because I'm not really a fan of how that looks. I don't know if it's just the blue, but probably should have just ordered black. Well guys, we're going to have to call it for a night. We got lots of stuff done. We got some big news for the shifter cart, and we also have big things on the way. So be sure you hit that notification bell and subscribe. And also be sure to leave a like down below if you enjoyed this video. This thing is pretty much done. We got the fiberglass floorboards in, the pedals, the cables, the paddle shifters, the radiators. We still need a few miscellaneous pieces, and those don't come in till a few days. But guys, here in a few days, this thing will be finished. We're going to be driving it for the first time, so be sure you stay tuned for that and don't miss it. So I think we're not going to run this wing for the test drive. It's just too big and too high. It might slow us down. So yeah, we'll have to redo these mounts and make it a little bit shorter. So this is our fiberglass piece, and I'm really on a time crunch to get this thing done, so I won't really be messing with that today. I know some of you guys are going to ask about this welder, and it performed really awesome, but I can't reveal too much until the review video, so stay tuned for that. But it's a pretty good welder, and I can't wait to hook it up with gas. Guys, thank you so much for watching up to this point. Big thank you to our sponsor, GoPowersports.com. This build wouldn't have been possible without them. Be sure you stay tuned for my upcoming projects. Hit that like button down below. Share this video with your friend. Be sure to follow me on Instagram and check out my Patreon in the description. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. God bless.